Do you need to control your website server or a remote computer, but you don't have your laptop? Then watch how you can manage everything just using your mobile phone. If this trick makes your technical work easier, please like, share and do subscribe. Termius SSH app is a powerful terminal SSH/SFTP client that allows you to access and manage remote servers from your Android or iOS phone. This is a crucial tool for developers, sales admins, and students. You can securely connect to your server, run commands, upload, download files, and monitor your remote devices. Its strongest feature is its cross-device sync and secure key management. This means all your connections and settings will remain synced across all your devices. Now you can check your server's health even while traveling. Handle SSH secure shell commands with extreme care. A strong command can crash your server, and always keep your login credentials safe. So if you want to keep your server in your pocket, try the Termius SSH app client. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.